Good morning. We're taking London on her morning stroll. I need to organize my pantry because I have a lot of containers in there, like water jugs and milk containers that I want to do some winter sowing in. So I need to get that organized before I can get that going. So yeah, why don't you guys come along with me, and yeah, we'll see you in a minute. So here's a view of our pantry that I'm going to clean out today. Usually start by taking everything out that I want to be reorganized, and then dust it off and put it back in there. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is what I have all throughout these shelves, or these to do winter sowing in. So that's why I wanted to get this cleaned out, so I can get that stuff done before it gets too late in the season. Containers of egg containers that I want to start seeds in. Yeah, the eggs are out of the containers. Just to let you know, I've been saving these for 2 years now, so this isn't just a year's worth of stuff. Now that I got part of that cleaned up, I can't believe how much stuff came out of that room. So let me show you. Give anybody anxiety? Well, we're gonna get it all cleaned up. That's why I do this, is so I pull it all out, and then I know I have to get it done. So that's a lot of stuff. In this room, not too bad. I clean the floors, kind of organize my pantry shelves. All right, let's get this finished. me give you a look at it. So I just went through and rearranged everything, cleaned it off. I have a lot of gardening stuff, hats and gloves. I'd like to get some more baskets to put that stuff in. This is London's doggy basket. And then I have my soil that I'm going to be moving out to the garage when I get that cleaned up, that section of my bench, my potting bench cleaned up. But yeah, just got the floor clean, mopped. Yeah, feel good about it. So let me show you where stuff ended up. So remember all the garbage that was out here? So got it all cleaned up and put away. So yeah, everything's off the table now. And here are all of my containers. So I think I have I think I counted 23, 24 containers, and then all my egg cartons. And this little thing here, my mom gave me. It's a kitty litter box. I said, what are you gonna do with that? She's like, I don't know. And I said, well, give it to me and I'll use it to put dirt in it. So yeah, so that'll be good for that. So anyways, here's London. Hey baby. You gonna say hey? London. Okay, well come and film you then. Are you tired? Are you taking a nap? Get that camera away from me. You're silly. Yeah, you're silly. So I just want to say that really made me get in there and get that done. I'm looking forward to doing the winter sowing, and I'll take you along on that project coming up soon. I gotta see how many days till our last frost. For Helena, we're a lot later than other people. It's colder here. We're in zone 4B. So yeah, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.